Hi everyone. This problem I think is from chapter 5. I'm not sure about the exact number of the problem. One of the students sent me an email asking me to help him out with this. All right, so let's see what's going on. So we have this study that shows the elasticity of gasoline this is the elasticity. So let's try what we know. So elasticity is minus zero point 0.2, but we can read elasticity as a positive number. I'll take the absolute value because it's elasticity of demand. And over here we have, as a result of international embargo or hostilities, supply decreased by 20%. Okay, so the initial price of gasoline was 1.8. Okay, so let's first write what we know. So we know that elasticity, E, is equal to percentage change in price. And we know how to calculate the percentage change in price over the percentage change in quantity. So the whole thing is Q2 minus Q1 over Q1. All right, this whole thing should be equal to 0.2. This is elasticity, right? The question has given us the price, P1. So this thing is 1.8, 1.8, and it's giving us this entire thing. So it's telling us that as a percentage, the percentage change in quantity is 20%, which resulted from the embargo, right? I mean, remember, so let's assume that this is the demand, the supply, this is like the equilibrium, like the 1.8. This is quantity price. As a result of the embargo or hostilities, the supply dropped 20%, right? So basically, quantity decreased 20%. Okay, so let's just apply these numbers into this formula. So the question is asking us to calculate P2 because we already know P1. So just gonna plug the numbers. P2, that's what we're looking for, minus P1 is 1.8. Beyond this point, everything is going to be mechanical, divided by 1.8. And this thing is divided by percentage change in quantity, which is given. In our example in here, it's 20%. 0.2. This whole thing should be equal to 0.2. 0.2? Yes, 0.2. I'm writing it as a positive number because it's elasticity. I'm write C right here. Okay, so you solve this thing, and you should get, and then you calculate. I think this is like very easy math. So I'm calculating it in my calculator. So 1.8 divided by 0.2 multiplied by 0.2 plus 1.8. So I got 3 3.60. First thing I have to round it to 2 decimal places. There you have it. So, okay, we have a second part. Now, suppose that the government imposes price ceiling. What you need to do, look at the price ceiling. Is it higher or lower than this price? It's lower, right? I mean, price ceiling always leads to a shortage, right? Because we imposing price that is less than this equilibrium price. How would the relationship between consumer gas station change? We will have a shortage. Always price ceiling leads to a shortage. Okay, thanks for watching.